Look, my beautiful friends, that simple tap of your credit card at the cafe today was a trap. You thought you earned 3% back, but the truth is you got exactly 0 points. This happens because of a tiny 4-digit secret called an MCC code. I am Frank, a retired banker who spent 40 years behind those desks. I spent my life in the kitchen of the banks, and today I'm showing you the other side. Every merchant in the world is assigned a 4-digit merchant category code. It's a classification system. A grocery store is 5411, a restaurant is 5812. But here is the scam. Many shops use the wrong code just to pay lower fees. When the merchant saves a few cents on fees, you lose all your rewards. Imagine buying a $100 dinner at a place coded as a wholesale club. Your bank sees that wholesale code and gives you nothing for your dinner. This little mistake costs the average family over $1,200 every single year. That is real money for a vacation or a house down payment just vanishing. Why don't you notice it? Because bank statements are designed to be confusing. They hide these codes in the fine print, hoping you never look at the details. But don't worry, beautiful friends. Frank is here to give you the keys. I will teach you how to check any merchant's code before you even buy anything. It's as simple as using a hidden tool on your phone that most people ignore. You can see the code in real time, matching it to your card's best categories. Once you find a miscoded shop, you have the power to fix the mistake. I'll show you the exact words to say to your bank to demand those points back. You have to be firm. They have to give them to you, but only if you have proof. This is how you stop being a victim of the system and start being the house. In this game of finance, the one with the most information always wins the gold. If you are tired of being cheated and want to master your future, hit that subscribe button. Hit it right now. My name is Frank, and your education starts today. Most people spend their lives trading time for money, but you are different. You are going to learn how to make every single dollar work harder than you do. Let's dive deeper into the mathematics of these codes and the hidden losses. If you spend $2,000 a month on hidden categories, you lose $60 every month. That $60 might seem small, but let's look at the 10-year snowball effect. Just like a snowball rolling down a mountain, small gains lead to huge momentum. Remember, your first $100,000 is the hardest, but every point helps you climb. When you optimize your card points, you are building your first 6-figure bridge. Once you cross that bridge, your wealth becomes an unstoppable fortress. Over 10 years, those points are over $7,000 lost to the banks. That could be a new car or a wedding ring, stolen by a simple 4-digit number. Don't let the banks build their skyscrapers with your hard-earned travel points. Knowledge is your shield. Understanding the MCC system is your weapon. Look at your last statement tonight, find the codes, and expose the errors. Use 2 different cards, one for utilities and one for dining, to maximize. When you optimize, the points flow in like a river of gold into your account. It's a puzzle, but Frank has already solved it for you, my beautiful friends. Start with your largest monthly bill. Is it coded correctly? Check it now. A simple phone call can reclaim years of lost rewards in just 10 minutes. This is the discipline that separates the wealthy from the forever broke. You don't need $1 million to start thinking like a millionaire today. Stop the bleeding, take control, and never pay full price for a flight again. I'll be here every week to show you more secrets from the vault. See you in the next lesson, beautiful friends.